Hi friends, it's Kristen Spinetti. I wanted to show you a quick, easy way to filter the re-registration status for your students through Total View Action so that you can send the appropriate emails when the time comes. Registration opens on the 7th this year, so that's Thursday. So you should be seeing some more communication coming out about that. I'm in my Total View Teacher account right now. This will allow me to select all of the students that are in my classrooms. So you come over here to Quick Links and then to Total View Action. That will bring up this, and it will allow you to select by grade. So select all the grades that you have in your classrooms, and then that will search. Actually scroll down here first to find re-registration. You click that, and then that will bring up the unknown, registering, not registering, and undecided statuses depending on the email that you need to send. And then you can also select the re-registration when it was last modified. So if you need to select the students who are now registering since the last email that you sent, you can do that so that you can send that email directly to them. And then you would click search, and this would come up. Of course, hold on, I forgot to select grade level. Oh, no, I forgot to select. Here we go. Okay, so selecting unknown brings up my students, so then you can select here. When you select all, even if you have multiple pages, it does select them all, not just the first page, so that helps. You can scroll over here also to show re-registration status. You can filter these, you can sort them. Also, re-registration last modified is here. You can sort those as well. This shows the last re-registration template that was used. And then here, this shows if they attended a parent session yet. So that will help you as well. So all those things are here, and then you would come over here once they're all selected. You can either export the data as, and then save it as an Excel file, or you can come down here to send a new mail. If you send it to the student, it will automatically go to the Learning Coach also. And you can file it as a note here. If you've been instructed to do that, you'll need to send it to new mail. If you send it to new mail to Learning Coach only, you're not able to save it as a note. So just keep that in mind. My last names are blocked here just so you guys, I could show this video, but you would want to include last names and things like that. Okay. So then you would select send new mail. That will show the kids' names here. And then the subject line should populate. Oh, we need to select a template. So down here, all the way to the bottom, you'll find the re-registration emails. These are the templates. So if you're sending it, if you selected not registering, you'd select not registering here. Unknown is what we selected, so that's what we'll select here. The first name of the student should populate here. Learning Coach, first name, last name, student name. So these should auto-populate. It always makes me a little nervous because I'm not ever sure I'm going to do that right. So if you need to change this up here just to include Dear Learning Coach, something like that. I do like that it's more personal. I just doubt my skills that it's actually going to send correctly. So you can change this to student. The body of the email should remain the same, but if you need to change those auto-populate things, if you're not sure that, you can do that. And then down here, you would just sign it, so that you have that. Since we're sending it to the student, you could save it as a note, and then you would click send. Okay, so that's a real quick, easy way to do that. You can change the templates up here based on what you chose in the Total View Action spot. So that will allow you to select the proper template. And then you can copy yourself on it. You can copy your lead if you've been instructed to do that. But real good way to do that there. You can also do it through your admin account. And this is same deal here. This is just through your admin account. You would find Quick Links, Total View Action here. This will allow you to input student IDs up to 500, or if you're sending it for an entire grade band, which I can't imagine that you would, you could do that through here. So this will filter all students, not just those in your classroom like we did through the teacher account. So you would put student IDs in here. Same thing here. You would scroll down, click re-registration. You would filter to the status that you'd like to find, modification date if you need to, and then you can search on that one. Same thing, select all, and then come up here to find the email option or to export the data. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know.